In this video, we are going to learn how you can register new Google contacts in Alegra. So the idea here is that whenever you create a new contact in your Google contacts, automatically using those details, a new contact should get created into your accounting and invoicing software, that is Alegra. For that, you need to integrate your Google contacts with Alegra. So here your trigger application would be Google contacts and your action application would be Alegra. So how you can integrate both these software applications using Pabbly Connect? For that, you need to come to my screen. To integrate Google contacts with Alegra, first we need to log into pabbly.com. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we can find two options, sign in, sign up free. If you're a new user, you have to just click on sign up free button and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes and you're going to get free task every month. If you're already a user of Pabbly Connect, simply sign in. From the All Apps section, access Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, click on this plus sign, create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Register New Google Contacts in Alegra. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this particular use case, we want that whenever we create a new contact in our Google contacts, automatically the same contact should get created into your Alegra account also. So first we have to integrate Google contacts with Pabbly Connect. So open this trigger window and here choose the application name as Google Contacts. Select the trigger event as new or updated contact. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection and click on Connect with Google Contacts. Now here it is asking me to choose an account to continue to Pabbly Connect contacts. So I'm just going to choose my account from here. Now it is asking for the additional access. So let's click on Continue to give away the access as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful. And now the Google contacts are connected to Pabbly Connect. Now before clicking on Save and Send Test Request, first we have to create a new contact in our Google contacts just because after clicking on this option, it is going to capture the latest data. So let's move to Google contacts and here I'm just going to create a new contact. Let's give the first name of the contact as Demo. Last name as name itself. Let's add the company name as Pabbly. Job title as Developer. And here let us add the email address as demo@pabblytudes.com and here I'll be adding the phone number. Okay, and now let's click on Save. Okay, and here we can see that a demo name contact is added to our Google contacts. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and we are going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And here we can see the responses received and all the details of the recently created contact are captured over here. We can find the name as demo name. When we scroll down, we can find the email address, phone number. Here we can find the company name as well as the title, okay, the job title, and some other details are also captured. So now here I want to give an important information that here you can see that the data has captured immediately. But sometimes it may take some time in capturing the response as the trigger here is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. And here also it is mentioned that this particular trigger will check for the new data in every 10 minutes. Okay. So now we want that using these details, automatically a new contact should get created into our Alegra account. So let's integrate Alegra with Pabbly Connect. So open this action window and here choose the application name as Alegra. Select the action event as Create Contact. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection. And now here it is asking for the username and the token. So let us read the instructions. To get the token, first log into your account and go to this particular URL. So let's open the URL in a new tab. And as I am already logged into my Alegra account, we are redirected to the API integrations with other system section over here. And here we can find the user, that is the email address. So I'll just copy it and I'll paste it over here. And I'll be just copying the token also. And I'll be pasting the same over here. And now let's click on Save to create a connection. And now the Alegra account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here it is asking for the name, email address and other details of the contact that needs to be created. So we have already got all these details from our trigger response over here. So now we are going to map these details. Okay, for mapping, simply scroll down, click it over here, come to the trigger response, and from the drop down, select the name. The first name was demo, and let us map the last name also. So this was the family name, that is the last name. Here we have to map the email address. Here we have to give the phone number. So we have entered the first name, last name, email address and the phone number. And let's scroll down. We don't have the mobile number and other details. So I'm just leaving these fields as blank. Here we have to select the contact type as client or provider. So I'm just selecting it as a client. As we don't have the address details, so I'm just leaving the fields as blank. Now here it is asking verify unregistered identification. So if you want to verify, you can just confirm it as verify. Or if you don't want to verify, you can just select it as per your requirement. I'm just going to select it as verify. Okay, and now let's click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received, and here we have got an ID. It means a new contact is created in our Alegra account. Let's check it. We have to just refresh our Alegra account. Okay, and here we have got a new contact created named demo name. And here we have got the phone number. So let's open the details. And here we can see the name of the contact as demo name. Here we have got the email address and the phone number. So in this way, we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we have set up an automation. This is a one-time process. Next time, whenever you're going to create a new contact in your Google Contacts, automatically the same contact will get created into your Alegra account also. So now let us check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. So let's move to the Google Contacts, and here we are going to just create a new contact. Let's give the first name of the contact as dummy, last name as contact itself. Let's give the company name as Pabbly Connect, job title as accountant. Okay, and here I'm just going to add the email address as dummy@pabblytudes.com. And here let's add the phone number. Okay, and now let's click on save. And here we can see a new contact created. Now let us check our Alegra account. We have to just refresh it. And even after refreshing, we can't find the new contact details added over here, just because I have already informed you that the trigger here is polling based and it will take time to capture the response. So here we have to wait for some time. So it's now almost 3 to 4 minutes. Let us refresh our Alegra account once again. Okay, and here we can see a new contact created named dummy contact. And here we can find the phone number. Let us check the email address and other details also. And here we can find the email address as dummy@pabblytudes.com. So here in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And now I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Google Contacts and Pabbly Connect so that whenever you create a new contact in your Google Contacts, automatically the details are captured in Pabbly Connect. And then using those details, we have created a same contact in our Alegra account also. And in this way, we have learned that how we can register new Google Contacts in Alegra using Pabbly Connect. Thank you.
So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.